Greetings and welcome to my final assignment. It's been a wonderful journey. Since 2015, I've been with Ashford and I've been so grateful to be a student and I really enjoyed this class. I feel like I learned a lot. From week one, we would choose a topic and a research question. And so I chose natural disasters, and the questions are, why do people stay in natural disaster prone areas? And also, why do people put themselves in danger to save artifacts and memorabilia in natural disasters? Is culture more important than safety? So, to help me answer these questions, I have chosen two experts in the field. Although they teach in different capacities, they are qualified to offer expertise on my topics. So we have Dr. Adam Sobel. He's an atmospheric scientist and Columbia University professor who specializes in disaster preparedness. And we also have Darren Nick Stevenson, who is a secondary science educator and wrote the SAGE article, Human Response to Natural Disasters. Dr. Sobel believes that individuals do not leave because they underestimate the storms. They remember the storms not being that bad. And sometimes if something happens, memories are not that long. And then some people remember their grandparents being there and they lived through the storm, and they may think that they're going to live through the storm too. Dr. Sobel also attributes residents' refusal to leave on their memories. However, the storms of the future may be more extreme as a result of global warming. In many of Dr. Sobel's presentations, he makes note of global change, climate change as a result of global warming. Dr. Stevenson, she thinks about social capital, and social capital is a new concept I learned along the way. So social capital, or a group where one belongs to get resources and support, can keep certain individuals safe in a natural disaster. Marginalized communities are more vulnerable. They may be misinformed about the seriousness of the storms, or they just may not have the means to evacuate. And some individuals even relocate, never to return again. Educating the communities at school level can help mitigate certain risks and dangers that older individuals in the community may overlook. So having a fresh set of eyes can really help in the situation. People of lower socioeconomic status, such as African American victims of Katrina in the Ninth Ward, are less likely to have people available in a time of need or just natural supports in general. Other communities were able to come together and help each other. Chances of survival are slim if one's network is slim, unfortunately. The two experts, even though they come from different perspectives, they do come together on the fact that preparedness is important for survival. Sometimes the information is not available to people, and when they come together, they will learn and survive. Chances of survival are higher. Thank you for listening, and it's been wonderful. Have a great day.